Curio Lab.
Which of these is a miniature model railway? Which of these is a miniature model railway? This miniature model train is an exact replica. You can see it at the Small World's Miniature Museum in Tokyo, Japan.
Wow, this is brilliant! Everything looks so lifelike. The buildings, the tracks, even the tiny figures. This incredible train diorama was created by Small World's Miniature Museum, a miniature museum based in Japan. It feels like stepping into a miniature world full of wonder.
Which of these is a toy steam engine? Which of these is a toy steam engine? This toy is called Plarail. It means plastic railway. It's very popular among children in Japan.
Plarail's a train toy from Japan. It's really cool. You can join the tracks together and make your own course however you like. I built a tunnel and a bridge and even a station. It's like making your very own little town.
Which of these trains carries cars? Which of these trains carries cars? This is a freight train in Germany. It can carry many cars.
This is a special kind of train that runs in Germany. It's called a freight train. It doesn't carry people, it carries things instead. Wow, this one's carrying loads of cars. And look, it's super long. It's like a moving house for cars.
Which of these trains is the fastest? Which of these trains is the fastest? It's a railjet, a high-speed train in Austria.
Railjet is one of the fastest passenger trains in Europe. Its top speed is a whopping 275 kilometers an hour.
Which train is running in the snow? Which train is running in the snow? It's a night train in Finland. It's called the Santa Claus Express.
This train goes all the way from Helsinki, a big city, to Rovaniemi, the town where Santa lives.
Which of these trains is passing through a tunnel? Which of these trains is passing through a tunnel? It's the Hayabusa. Hayabusa means falcon. It's a high-speed train in Hokkaido, Japan.
Wow, look at the front. It's long and pointy, just like a bird's beak. There's a clever reason to that shape. It slices through the air smoothly and helps make the train quieter. That's why the Hayabusa can go super fast and still stay nice and quiet. It zooms all the way from Tokyo to Hokkaido. And guess what? Its top speed is a whopping 320 kilometers an hour.
Which of these is a real steam engine? Which of these is a real steam engine? This steam engine was active until 1975 in France.
Hop! Maurice, Maurice!
This train runs on steam. It burns coal to make really hot steam that pushes it along. It's called the 100.C38. Sounds like a secret code, doesn't it? Pretty cool. Back in the old days in France, this engine carried people and parcels from town to town. With smoke puffing out and wheels turning slowly but strongly, I just love the way it moves. Bye. See you again.